Alright, so what's up, y'all? Back. I'm actually sitting here with the superstar right here. If y'all don't know, he's really, I'm sure y'all seen him all over YouTube. I'm just meeting him for the first time. And I'm going to just tell you how important, like, just talking about marketing. As you can see, we're part of the BIM, Big Ideal Mastermind. And one of the things that we're doing right now, we're going to do a 90-day video challenge. And I'm kind of late in starting mine, I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of late in starting mine, but one of the things that motivated me is that, you know, on Facebook, we have a BIM Facebook group, and I seen this guy right here. He's posting videos every day. I never met him in person until today, but I feel like I already know you. You know what I mean? Because he has a message that's resonating with me. And how old are you, man? He's 22 years old. Look at him. Like, I figure he's like 16, 17 years old. And he's out here doing the thing right now, man. 22 years old. The guy has his head on straight. And he's making major moves right now, man. What motivates you?
Other people motivate you, man. Like, just seeing other people doing things that I want to do. Like, when I first started, I didn't want to make videos at all. Like, I started out like, man, I made a video. I was like, man, I made this video. I think it sucks. And I just uploaded the video, and then I just seen all these comments saying, "Nice, great video," and I was like, I'm thinking the video is messed up. I'm thinking the video is no good or whatever. And then just looking at other people, how they do their videos and stuff. I'm not too good at speaking like that, but I still go ahead and do it regardless. And BJ here, I see he does videos. I see he does 3 videos a day, and he was just hammering every day. I'm like, oh, this guy's on fire. So I just said, man, you know what? If he could do 3 videos a day, I'm gonna start doing 3 videos a day. And after I just took action, so I'm a guy with action. So I'm always gonna take action, no matter what.
Let's do it. And I encourage you to take action too. Bottom line, he's 22 years old. He's pursuing his dream right now. You're pursuing your dream. I respect you. I respect you for that, dog. Like, I'm 30 plus, 35-ish. But it's never too late. It's never too late. So he's and him being younger than me, like, that's one of the things that motivated me to start doing my videos. I'm like, I'm slipping. I got this kid right here doing the thing. Not to call you a kid in this way, but this boy right here is doing the thing, man. And you one of my motivations about that encouraged me to do the videos. I just want to say thank you. Sure. I just want to say thank you. So bottom line, if you don't take anything else, start taking action. If you don't get anything else from this, take action. What's your last thing to say? It's all good. We got some money to make, man. I hope you catch up. Make sure you get involved today, man. Sign up right now. Not now, but right now. Right now.
Change your life today.
Change your life. Live with intention. Live on purpose. Alright?
And also get all in. You gotta get all in.
All in.
All in.
All in.
You ain't serious if you're not right here. You ain't serious if you're not all in.
Going all in. That's what we do. Go all in. Go hard or go hard. Just go all in. Bottom line.
Rich or die trying. 50 Cent.
Good.